Hello everybody, I hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I look kinda different. So I decided to do this little ponytail in my hair today. I really like it, and for me it's different because I'm always with my hair straight. It was so hard to do. I have too much hair and it is so long, it's so heavy, and I had a little bit of work to do this, but that's okay. So for today's tutorial, I'm gonna do a trend in Korea, and this is the glass skin. I really love it. I think it's so beautiful. So I really wanted to try this out with you guys today. In this look, I don't want to use too much powder in my face because I want to keep the glow in my skin, kinda natural glow. So I'm gonna show you how to do it today. So to begin this makeup look, I already pull my hair back, and I'm gonna use very simple products that I have at home. So today I'm gonna use my moisturizing foundation, and also I'm gonna apply all the products using my damp beauty blender. So I already applied my moisturizer, and I did my brows previously to make this video a little shorter and not boring to watch. So I'm gonna do my skin now, and I'm gonna use the Healthy Mix Serum Gel Foundation by Bourjois. I love this one so much. It's very light to medium coverage, but it's really moisturizing. I really love the effect. So this is what I'm gonna apply in my whole face today, and I did apply it a little bit of my primer. I used the Professional by Benefit. Here I used this one. So now I'm gonna apply a little bit of setting spray. I'm gonna use Hangover by Too Faced. This is the 3-in-1 with coconut water, so it's very moisturizing and will give me this moisturizing effects that I want for my makeup look today. So I'm gonna apply a little bit before and also after when I done everything. So I'm gonna let it dry naturally, and now I'm gonna use a few pumps of this foundation. I use 2 or 3 pumps, and then I'm gonna apply everywhere in my face, neck and chest to balance the look. Oh, by the way, I'm using the blender 3D HD by Sigma. I feel like this foundation oxidized a little bit, so I'm gonna make sure to bring it to my neck as well, so I don't have any difference in the colors. This is so important. As you can see, I feel like it changes the color a little bit, but that's okay for me. We're gonna make it work. I love the texture of this foundation. As you can see, it's very moisturizing and looks so beautiful. Right, so now that I applied my foundation all over, I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer, and today I'm gonna use a lighter shade to highlight a little bit the center of my face. This is the color Fair by Too Faced. It's one of my favorite concealers because it gives a more natural finish. Also, it's very moisturizing. I don't want to apply too much because the skin is a light coverage. I'm gonna apply just to highlight. I love this blender to apply concealer because, as you can see, I have this little tip, so it makes easier the application of the product in the inner corner of my eye. Now is the tricky. Now I'm gonna use the highlighter, yes, in my wet foundation. I'm gonna apply with the High Cheekbone Brush by Sigma, this one. And the highlighter that I'm gonna use is the Too Faced Love Light Blinded by the Light, and it's the Prismatic highlighter. I wanna use this highlighter because it's very soft. And as I want to create a glass skin effect, so I don't want to create a more shimmery effect in this makeup look. That's why I'm going to use this highlighter, because this is very buildable, so I'm going to apply a little at a time in the highest point of my face. And this product will act as a natural light, as you can see here. I'm gonna apply this highlighter in the tear duct of my eyes as well, just to stand out even more this look. And I think I'm gonna apply a little bit in the brow bone as well, but I don't know, we'll see about it. Now I am glowing. I add a little bit of highlighter here as well, and I'm gonna apply my blush. So I'm gonna use the California Dream blush by Benefit. This is one of my favorites. I love the color absolutely. Look at this. It's the cutest shade for my skin tone, I think, at least. So I'm gonna apply using the same brush that it comes with. And look at this highlighter. This is powerful. And what I like the most is that, of course, I applied a lot of highlighter, but seems like is the glow of my skin. This is the effects that I most love, but of course I add a lot of highlighter so you can see too much shine, and obviously this is not natural, but for the glass skin it is. Yes, more life to my face. Look at this. Cute. I'm gonna do the same in the other side. So now let's move on to my eyes. Should I do my eyes or no? I think I'm gonna set it first. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of my setting powder, and this is the Translucent by Airspun. I love this product. It's very affordable and has a lot of product in here. I'm gonna use just what is here in the cap, because yes, I want just a little bit of product for my glass skin glam today. So I'm gonna set basically the center of my face, and I'm gonna keep it natural and glowy as possible, but I just wanna set a little bit because the foundation is very moisturizing. Some people like this finish. I do like this finish, but I don't want to lose my foundation so early because I have a lot of work to do this. So I want to keep it in the place, but at the same time I don't want to take off the glow of my foundation. I use it everything. Set here as well. And done. We finished my skin. So almost. I still have a little secret in the end of this video. So I'm gonna remove the creases in my eyelid, and I'm gonna add the eyeshadow base. And for this step I'm gonna use my clean finger because it's easier. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of the Paint Pot Soft Ochre by MAC all over the lid. Remove the excess because yes, I want just a little bit. And for my eyes today, I'm gonna go for a very simple look. So I'm gonna use just a little bit of glitter, and I'm gonna create a little bit of dimension in my crease. So for this, I'm gonna use the heart-shaped cookie eyeshadow by Sugarpill with a fluffy brush. Let me find my brush. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna use a little bit. As you can see, this is just a nude eyeshadow, kinda matches my skin color. To make it easier, you can use a loose powder as well. Next, I decided to apply a little bit of glitter in my eyelid. Today I'm gonna use the Reflect Gold by MAC. I know it looks simple, but will give me a little extra glam for this makeup look. So I'm gonna apply just using my finger, not using any eyeshadow glue. No, glitter glue. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of product. And I'm gonna just dab. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna spread it out. I think this is so cute. I remember that I used a makeup look like this to go out, in a prom and it was so good. I remember everybody was using black smoky eyes, a lot of glitter, a lot of things, and I was using only this makeup look. I received a lot of compliments about my makeup look, but I did this look because I was so late to this prom. And look, it worked. Amazing! And this is the final result. I don't have much work and it looks so beautiful. I just pop a little glitter and that's it. But the glitter has to be almost a powder and this is the result. So now I'm gonna just apply my fake lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I just applied my fake lashes. This is so beautiful. And now I'm gonna apply my lipstick. I think I'm gonna go for a more dark lip today, so I don't know what to do because I have two liquid lipsticks right here. I have the shade Immoral and also the Cherry by Melt Cosmetics. I love them both. They are so beautiful. Here is the colors and almost look like the same, but it's not because one is darker, kinda wine shade, and the other is a vibrant red. So I don't know what to do today. I think I'm gonna go for Immoral. This is stunning. I love this color so much. Oh my god, I absolutely love this red shade. Look at this. It's stunning. So now to finish off this look, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the setting spray again, just to melt everything together and make this look even more glass look. Look at this. So that's it, my loves. This is the final result. I really love how it turned out. I love the foundation. It's amazing. It looks so beautiful. It's very moisturizing and only good things here. I really like this look. I really hope that you like it as well. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to do because we don't have too much work in the eyes. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later in the next tutorials. Give me more suggestions of what you want to see next here in my channel. I will be so happy to hear you guys, and that's it for this look. I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!